Welcome to Lesson 2. We are going to review some greetings and farewells in Nahuatl. Greetings and farewells may be informal or reverential. You can only use informal greetings with friends, cousins, siblings, sons, etc. Let's see some informal greetings. Nilse. Hello. Tlenkihtoa moyolo, which literally means, what does your heart say? And you should understand it like, how are you? This form is singular. For plural form, we have Tlein Quihtoa and Moyolo. Ken Tika, literally, how are you? This is the singular form. Ken Ankate, how are you? Plural form. The reverential greetings are very respectful forms of talking in Nahuatl. I know this may sound quite difficult since these expressions do not exist in English, but in Nahuatl they are very important. You should, and I remark, you should use these ones when you meet your parents, grandparents, an uncle, an aunt, some authority, and especially if you go to a Nahuatl community, you must greet people reverentially, just because you are a stranger and you owe respect for the people. If you visit a Nahuatl community and use informal greetings, you may look yourself in trouble. Let's see some reverential greetings. Kentimowika, how do you carry yourself? It means, how are you? In a reverential way. Kenanmowika, this is the plural form of Kentimowika. Tlenkimihtalhuya moyolotzin, what does your venerated heart say? In plural form, Tlenkimihtalhuya and moyolotzin. Kentimetztika, how are you? Kenanmetztikate, this is the plural form. Now let's see some informal farewells. Titohtazqueh, literally it means we will see each other again. In Nahuatl, it means see you or goodbye. Maakuali ohtli literally means have a good road or have a safe road. These are some reverential forms. Titohtazqueh, the reverential form of goodbye. Maakuali ohtzintli, the reverential form of have a nice road or have a safe road. Maatotatzin mitzmopieli, literally, may our Father take care of you. In this case, our Father is the Sun. In Mexica religion, the Sun was the main god. So this farewell may be translated as, may the Sun take care of you, or also, may God take care of you. Maatotatzin and mechmopieli. This is the plural form of the previous farewell. We hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Titohtazqueh, Nokniwan.